Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link in the comment section. So, guys, once again, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button. So, let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold. So, let's start with the trend. Overall trend on gold is an uptrend move. This is very clear that market is trending to the upside. We are on a bullish move right here on our gold. Now, if you take a look at this here, we see this as the high. Here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high here, right? And here comes the higher low. So our next movement and our next forecast on gold will be another push up that will eventually give us a new higher high. So market has eventually dropped to come back to this rejection level here, rejection zone. We can start there was kind of like a reaction around this level. There's also a reaction around this level. So market is currently at this level, and we should be expecting a reaction at this level. Thereby, gold should eventually push up. That is our next forecast for the day. We should be expecting a bullish move for the day on gold. Now, would there be any changes to this movement? Absolutely yes. Also have it in mind that market is flexible. Market tends to change. So if in case markets change and market does start moving in completely different opposite or direction of what we predict, I'll make sure I let you guys to know and I'll give you guys the updates. All you just have to do is subscribe so you will not miss out on any updates.